Okay, guys, and welcome back to the part two of how to build a mascot logo. Firstly, I want to apologize because I lost the process of how I got to this place, but for some reason my recording just seems to stop, and I didn't notice in time. But sorry about that. But yeah, just bear with me and stay back and enjoy the process. Thank you. Okay, so at some point, after making the first mouth, I thought of making another one, another variation, just to see which kind of look best on the character. And the first style seems more a bit realistic, while the second style feels more like Disney character style. More like Tom and Jerry cartoon. Okay, so now we are done with the head section, and now we've moved to the body of the character. So I just want to give the body more definition. Like I said, I lost the process of building this part, but I'm sorry about that, guys. Just bear with me. So this is just a continuation of where I stopped. So in this part, I'm trying to add more details to the body of the character, and add the head to the body, and just make everything work together. Coming to the end of this part 2 section, and intentionally break this video down so it doesn't get too long, so it doesn't bore us out. And stay tuned for part 3. In the part 3, I will be showing you my added details to the clothing and details to the face of the character. And thanks for watching. Peace out.